Okay, I'm coming down to another sharp corner. I'm going to turn it a little bit differently this time. So as I get closer to the end, what's going to happen is I'll see that my stitch length is going to be too large. It's going to go over. So I'm going to reduce the stitch length down to 2. Now you notice that I made the change when the needle is on the outermost part of the fabric. I want that outside edge to remain straight. And I'll take a couple of stitches at 2.0, and then I'm going to reduce it again to 1.5 and bring it right out to the point. Then I can rotate about 45 degrees, make a couple of stitches here just to close off the end, and I'm going to rotate it completely and do another couple of stitches still at 1.5. Now I know that I have enough room. I'm going to bring the stitch width up to 2.0, and now I can take it all the way back up to 2.5, and there I am around the corner.